Okay, now let's get that elephant. What? Why does it have no handles?
Well, you should know. You built it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, yeah, I remember. Boom! There you go. See? I know what I'm doing.
Oh, great! There go our magic outfits. How are we gonna kill the elephant now?
I don't know. Wait a minute. That's right, I color-coded them the opposite way around to fool intruders.
What?
Worked, right? It's actually very smart if you think about it.
Yeah, really smart. We just got fried.
See?
Oh, still gonna miss my outfit. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Hello, you don't need to bow. I'm Cutie the elephant, Rose's best friend. Do you want some cookies?
I actually love cookies.
Cody, you're not here to stuff your face with cookies. Let's just do this.
You sound unhappy. You can tell me what's wrong. That's what friends are for.
No, nothing's wrong. It's great. Everything's like super great.
Well, I can see you're not happy. You need a hug.
I kind of do. Oh.
Cody, what are you doing? Let's kill her.
Kill me? Why do you want to kill me?
Oh, no. We don't want to kill you. We just kind of have to. Just a little bit.
But I'm Cutie the loving elephant. I love Rose, and Rose loves me. I don't want to die.
I know, but we have no choice. I'm sorry.
No!
This is gonna be ugly. Do something!
Hold on a second.
Okay. Oh!
Yes!
Guess that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Cutie, we don't want to do this, but we have to.
We have to make Rose cry! It's nothing personal, we just need to break this spell!
Oh, you used to be good at this.
Yeah, with dead toys, not alive and screaming. We'll try to kill you softly!
Cody, you can't kill someone softly.
Not helping our case here.
Oh, that looks sharp. Please don't hurt me.
We gotta get her to the edge of the bookshelf.
Cat's on the other side! Come on, grab her!
You're scaring me! Where are you taking me? Please stop!
Someplace quiet and safe.
Friends are supposed to help each other! Rose, help me!
This is horrible! I feel so evil!
No, me too. I'll need therapy after this.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we could ask that book.
You crazy? We need to see a professional after this.
Wait, my ear!
I think she's tricking us. Pull me! Oh, it wasn't a trick.
What? Everything is fuzzy. Wouldn't it be more fun to play jump rope instead?
We're really sorry for this.
You don't have to do this. I love Rose.
Don't tell us that.
Cutie? Cutie!
Oh, that's good, honey. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, darling.
Cutie! Oh, are you okay? You're broken. I'll fix you. Oh no. Oh no, Cutie. Poor Cutie. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry you hurt yourself.
May, I think it's working.
Yes. Yes, she's crying.
Yes! Come on! All right, we gotta get down there. Quick, before she stops. This way.
Come on. Oh my gosh.
Keep it going, sweetie.
Oh, don't stop, darling. Come on, let it all out.
Sweet tears.
Oh.
Woo!
Hold on. What? Why is the spell not breaking?
Don't know. The tears should be the cure. What?
Oh no. Oh gosh. We're stuck like this.
No.
Oh,
No, that can't be. The tears should be the...
oh.
What's this? Hey, May.
Leave me alone. It's over.
I think it's a letter from Rose. Listen. Dear Mom and Dad, I'm sorry that I did this to you.
What?
I know how to make everything good again. All you have to do is, I think this is it. This is the answer.
Go on. How do we break the spell?
All you have to do is, whoa! Ah, not so fast! Hey, give that back!
That's our letter.
You're not ready for it. To earn this letter, you must work together. You must fix your relationship.
No, you idiot!
Thanks very much. You just ripped up our only ticket out of here.
Yes, I did. Into 4 pieces. You put them together, you get the answer.
Oh, you thick-headed book!
Holly!
Ah!
It's time to dive deeper into your souls and collect the 4 letter pieces. Let's go!
Hey, where you going?
Get him!
Get
the letter!